So up until now, area of a triangle has been half times base times height. Now let's have a look if we get other information. So in any particular triangle, say ABC, we can also call the sides opposite the angles by the lowercase version of the letter. So vertice A is opposite side A, and so on. So if I put in our perpendicular height, I'm going to look at one of the triangles that makes. So let's say we do this particular triangle here. So in that triangle, we can say sine of the angle C is opposite, which is our H for height, over the hypotenuse here, which is our B. If I rearrange that to make H equals, I'll just multiply the B across. So if I look at my formula, area equals half times base times height. Now my base here is our side A, so I can replace that with an A. My height is B sine C. So here we now have a formula for the area of any triangle, and we don't need the perpendicular height, we just need the angle, which is here, and then you can see the A and B are the sides either side of that angle. So as long as we've got two sides with the included angle, we can use this formula. So for an example, let's look at this one here. We want to find the area to two decimal places. So in the triangle PQR, I just forgot the letters, angle Q is 42 degrees, which is marked there, and we've got the sides 7 and 9. So the area, we use the formula and we substitute in. Our A and B would be our 7 and 9, and our sine of the angle between would be 42. When you type that into your calculator, you would get that. A second example, so sometimes you are given more than the two sides you need, so you need to recognise in the diagram I only need the angle between the two sides given. So this angle of 4.5 centimetres is unnecessary for the information that we need. So a half AB sine C, replacing the A and B with the 3 and the 4, and then sine of angle 75, and you should get that to two decimal places. The third kind of question you can be asked is if you're actually given the area and asked to find one of the sides, or you can actually be asked to find the angle as well. So whatever one it is, you just substitute in everything you can. So with the formula, just writing it down each time so you get to know it off by heart, and then putting in that the area is 24, one of the sides is 8, calling one of the other sides X or Y, whatever letter you want, depending if it's given to you or not, and then the angle is 51. So all I've got to do here is, well, half of 8 is 4, so now I just divide by 4 onto the other side, and also divide by the sine 51 to get my value of X. So you can see 24 divided by 4 is 6, divide that sine 51 over there, and you'll get that. When you type that in your calculator, you'll get 7.72 meters.